On your Star Tours Getaway Package. Stay and play in the clouds and enjoy the spectacular Fantasy in the Sky fireworks pageant every single night. The fun continues on the forest moon of Endor, where you'll sleep under the stars with the lovely Ewoks in their charming tribal villages. Your third stop brings you to the peaceful world of Alderaan, where you can relax in a natural wonderland recently voted.
I'm not programmed for that, so keep it moving. There you go.
I didn't like the look of this. It just got worse.
Star Tours, what are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Then stay put.
Why?
If you want to stay alive, you're going to need some cover.
This is bedtime, my dear parents. Thank the maker. Shoot! And you back this instant.